Welcome to our YouTube video showcasing the delightful Royal Indoor Slide. Join us as we take you through the simple assembly process of this fantastic product, designed to bring endless joy to your little ones. With vibrant colors and sturdy construction, the Royal Indoor Slide features various parts including a slide, ladder, and a basket with a ball, all seamlessly connected to ensure maximum safety and enjoyment. Our product is thoughtfully designed with precise measurements, ensuring a perfect fit for any indoor space while providing a safe and enjoyable play experience for children. Follow along as we demonstrate step by step how to assemble the Royal Indoor Slide, making it effortless for you to set up and start the fun in no time. With its easy assembly and safe design, the Royal Indoor Slide promises hours of excitement and laughter for your kids, making it an essential addition to any home play area. Get ready to watch your little ones embark on countless adventures with the Royal Indoor Slide, where fun knows no bounds.